Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. As you can see, today we got another video about the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. Because the last video did so well and got so many views, comments, subscribers, I just wanted to make another follow-up just to show you guys that I really do like the support that you guys have given and the comments, subscribers, things like that. So just thank you so much. So, like I said, today we're just going to do a video about the accessories. Just some of the things that I've printed for the Centauri Carbon that's either cool to look at or actually serves a purpose and is functional. So the first one is the vented riser. If you've ever seen a video about this printer, you've definitely seen this. It's a pretty cool print. It's supposed to help the angle that the filament goes into the head to make it a little less extreme of a bend, which I think they fixed that on the later models. I know the earlier ones had that problem, but I think they just kind of, I don't know really what they did. I don't know if they gave the PTFE tubing. Don't know if they kind of, made that a little longer, or if they just took out one of the clips that it has to hold it to make the approach angle a little less. But this just adds, it's kind of a cool factor, I think. I think it makes it look a lot cooler, and it kind of serves a function. It lets the all the heat escape without taking the glass top off. But I personally have never really had a problem with that, but I'm sure that some of you might, and especially depending on the area, things like that where you live. So now the second one is the glass top holder. Elegoo has one on their website that you can print that just lets the glass top slide on the side of the printer. Well, this one takes it a step further by also giving it a build plate holder. So if you get their accessory pack, you can hold the bed plates plus the glass, which is very nice. So like I said, this one is also what I would consider a functional print, where it does actually serve a purpose and it's not there just to look cool. As you can see from the pictures, I actually use this to hold the bed plates. It's not just there for show. So now the next one is a door handle. This one, as you can tell, definitely not a functional, just a cool print. I think it's probably less than 20 minutes to print, and it just adds a little color to the door. It makes it, kind of like your own. You can put designs on there or whatever. I just printed this one from Printables. It shows the Elegoo logo down the side, so I thought that was kind of cool. You can get one with no logo if you're, you can go into Tinkercad and put your own logo on there if you really want to. I just wanted to keep it plain and simple, and I like the Elegoo logo, so I did that. So now the next one that I have is the screen accent. This one is also another just kind of under 20-minute print that adds color and makes your printer look a little more personalized. It's not really a functional print, but so no, yeah, what it does, what it says, instead of the border being that gray that the printer looks like or looks and kind of comes with, it's a whatever color you want because you can print it. So yeah, so that's pretty much all I got for that one. The bearing spool holder is my next one. This one is very cool, and if you have the bearings for it, it's very easy to print. Lets the spool spin freely and takes that pressure off of the head from the tool head from bringing in the filament. It kind of helps it guide easier, so less wear and tear on that, which helps the printer in the long run. I came from the Neptune 4 Plus, and that one, the spool holder is screwed in, and I had a problem that cardboard spools would actually grip to the spool holder and could actually could unscrew it somehow. I had that happen once, and it fell on top of my printer, and luckily didn't mess up the print or anything, but it scared me enough to where now I print it immediately when I saw it. And that's kind of all I have for the top 5 prints, but I do have actually a little bonus section for you where I have 2 extra prints for you to look at and see if maybe they can fit, in your setup at all. The first one is kind of a 2-in-1, so it's that little model of the Centauri Carbon that they give you to print for the poop in the back, that one's what everyone prints usually at first. So, you have that. Then you can print a poop slide for it, which allows all the filament that shoots out the back to kind of go down the slide and goes right next to where you load the filament. That way you never have to reach in the back of your printer if your setup is like mine, where that's kind of a harder place to get to. The next one is the tool holder. This one I really like. It's very functional. I think kind of looks cool, and it doesn't make the printer look too big. Still, like it doesn't look like it looks like it belongs there. To be honest with you, the Centauri Carbon does a really good job at 3D printing, as you guys can see. Everything doesn't really look like plastic, to be honest with you. No, yeah, so those are kind of all the things and accessories that I printed for this printer. Everything was printed in PLA. I got most of these. I think all of them might have been from printables. I'll leave the links for all this stuff in the description if you want to print it for your setup. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I just wanted to let you guys know too that this will probably be like my last direct video on the Centauri Carbon, just because I do want to focus on more being a tech channel, doing kind of reviews, walkthroughs, and things like that. So if you're into that, please continue to comment, subscribe, follow. Have a good day. Thank you.